Beomhan, will you be my Valentine? Sure. We can hang out on Valentine's Day. I think we'll be doing some stuff on Valentine's Day, so that'll be fun. I have to sneeze. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm holding it in. Okay, I'm not. That's a cough. It's okay. I'm distracting my body. They'll just never know. Who drinks hot water? That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna do it. I'm not sneezing. I'm good. I'm okay. I'll do it again. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Hi. Bro, you just flew? I wish it was that easy. If like I could fly from like just sneezing, the staff would be like, hey, meet us in Seattle, Washington. I'll be like, give me 1 second, grab me a feather. Just Beomhan struggling with sneezing? Yes. It's very cold because I slept shirtless and I've been sneezing since.